Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Connect to scanner. In the upper right corner, find the round ELD button, and click on it. In the context menu, click the Connect button. Click on the name of the appropriate scanner. After a few seconds, your ELD is connected to the scanner. After validating, the VIN app reports that your unit is connected. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.